Hello, good morning to everybody. Today we are going to discuss the chapter real numbers in exercise 1.5. Determine the values of the following. So first question, log 5 base 25. Log 5 base 25. First one solution, log 5 base 25. So we know formula log a power m base b power n equal to m by n log a base b. M by n log a base b. From this one can be written as log 5 can be written as 5 power 1. 25 can be written as 5 square. Now it is looking as log a power m base b power n. What is the formula here? M by n. That nothing but 1 by 2 log 5 base 5. Log 5 base 5. Here log of any number to same base. Log of any number to same base. Log a base a that equal 1. Here a not equal to 1. We discussed already. Here a not equal to 1. Here a not equal to 1. Log a base a nothing but 1. Here a not equal to 1. From this we are getting here 1 by 2 log 5 base 5 nothing but 1. Log 5 base 5 nothing but 1. From this what is the answer here? 1 by 2. This is the answer. Same like that, second question also same only. What is the second question here? Log 3 base 81. Here also log 3 can be written as 3 power 1. 81 can be written as 3 power 4. From this we are getting here m by n nothing but 1 by 4 log 3 base 3. What is log 3 base 3? Log a base a nothing but 1 na? From this 1 by 4 into 1 that nothing but what is here? 1 by 4. Next third one. What is the third one? Log 1 by 16 base 2. Here 1 by 16 can be written as 1 by 2 power 4 base 2. 2 power 4 base 2. Here we know a power minus n nothing but 1 by a power n. A power minus n nothing but 1 by a power n. From this we are getting here log 1 by 2 power 4 nothing but 2 power minus 4 base 2. 2 power minus 4 base 2. From this we are getting here Sima log a power n equal to, we know one more formula, log a power n equal to log a power n base x, that nothing but n log a base x. n log a base x. From this సో బేస్ ని నువ్వు ఎప్పుడు కన్సిడర్ చేసుకోబాకన్నా ఫస్ట్ దీన్ని చదివేటప్పుడు log 2 power minus 4 base 2. log 2 power minus 4 base 2. Now it is looking as log a power n base x. What is the formula? n nothing but minus 4 log a nothing but a plus లో 2 ఉంది base 2. You know here minus 4 log of any number to same base, answer is 1. So what is the answer here? minus 4. That nothing but minus 4 log of any number to same base, answer is 1. From this we are getting here minus 4 is the answer. Next fourth one. What is the fourth one here? Log 1 to base 7. Already we discussed here, log 1 to different base, answer is 0. Next, next one, fifth one, log root x base x, log root x base x. So here see ma, log root x nothing but x power 1 by 2 base x. Now it is looking as log a power n base x equal to n log a base x, n log a base x. From this we are getting here 1 by 2 log x base x. Log of any number to same base, answer is 1. So 1 by 2 into 1, from this we are getting answer is 1 by 2. Next, log 512 61, log 512 base 2. 512 nothing but 2, 25 is 50, 6 jar. Again to 1 jar, 2 jar, 8 jar. Again to 6 jar, 4 jar. Again to 3 jar, 2 jar. Again to 16 jar. Again to 8 jar. Again to 4 jar. Again to 2 jar. That nothing but here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That nothing but log 2 power 9 base 2. So log a power n nothing but n log a 9, log 2 base 2. Log of any number to same base, answer is 1. That nothing but answer is 9. Next, ninth one. Ninth one. 2 power 2 plus log 3 base 2. This is the question. 2 power 2 plus log 3 base 2. Now it is seen, it is looking as a power m plus n. A power m plus n nothing but a power m into a power n. A power m into a power n. From this we are getting here 2 square into a power m plus n. 2 square into a power n nothing but 2 power log 3 base 2. From this here 2 square nothing but 4. This value nothing but 3. Here see ma, 1 minute here, a power x equal to n. From this, what is the logarithm form? X equal to log n base a. X equal to log n base a. A power x equal to n. From this, substitute x value. What is the x value? Log n base a. That equal, what is the answer here? n. ఇక్కడ జాగ్రత్తగా చూడనా, a power x equal to n. From this, we are, what is the logarithm form? X equal to log n base a. X equal to log n base a. So x value substitute here. A power x nothing but log n base a. That equal to n. From this, log a power log n base a. What is the answer? n. ఇక్కడ కూడా చూడండి, ఇది ఎలా ఉంది? A power log n base a. What is the answer? 3. ఇక్కడ ఏముంటే అది వస్తుంది మా 3. 4 3s are 12. This is the answer. I hope all members understood. Thank you.